Uyazini mhlawumbe kuzomela sidile nayo lento yase-Orania. Maybe we have to face this agenda yokuthi each and every time uma ngabe sithi sizama ukurise silwa ne-illegality eyenzeka e-country bese sitshelwa nge-Orania, just because people are trying to silence us. They are trying to manipulate us ukuthi we must not fight against illegality that is happening in front of our eyes. Then they are telling us about Orania. Maybe we have to deal with that, just like we are dealing with this thing of being told about xenophobia and stuff. Each and every time when we are trying to rise and fight against illegal immigrants, then we are being told about being xenophobic. Then South Africans are dealing with that accordingly. Maybe nale yase Orania, we have to deal with it accordingly. Lalela, i-Orania yaqala kudala ngekhathi zobandlululo. Yaqala ngalezo khathi lezo zobandlululo. Umuntu omhlophe kusho ukuthi already saw ukuthi, you know what, maybe we have to prepare ourselves, sizenzele eyethu indawo la sohlala khona sodwa, just because we don't want these people sekushiwo ukuthi mhlambe baba nomqondo abasifuni. Then they must prepare themselves ukuthi if kwenzeka they lose power, then they have their own state endaweni yabo. Kodwa waqala nini kudala ngesikhathi sobandlululo. Kusho ukuthi abantu ababe ne chance yokulwa nalento le from 1994 umuntu omnyama wangena emandleni, i-ANC yathatha over. Then i-ANC had a better chance to deal with that thing, to say, you know what, we are saying we are a rainbow nation, then we can't have such inside this country. We cannot have such thing inside this country. Firstly, they had to deal with this so-called good or better or what constitution. They had to deal with that nonsense, because I can assure you ukuthi lizangam lezizoqala le yanto yase-Orania, they've made sure ukuthi le isuka la kwi-constitution, it allows them. That is why i-ANC ingakwazanga ukudila nayo le nto le. Why? Because mhlawumbe nababona ukuthi esana umthetho uyasitribula, uyabavuna labantu bayenze lento abayenza lapha, then they can't fight against that thing. I understand. So all I'm saying is iyona government yomuntu omnyama, which is ANC, ekwakumele idile nale yanto leya yase-Orania, iyona ekwakumele idile nayo accordingly. Hayi ama citizens, hayi ama ordinary citizens of South Africa, they can't deal with that nonsense. Abanawo amandla ukulwa nale yanto. Umuntu onamandla iloya olapha eParliament. We understand. Lalela ke, the one who's making noise right now about Orania was amongst ANC. Wayengaphakathi kwi-ANC. Akashongo nix nge-Orania. Ngizamile ukumbheka, ngifuna ukuzwa ukuthi ngesikhathi esasela kwi-ANC wayikhuluma indaba se-Orania, akashongo nix ngayo, wayethule du. Yabona? Then uthe uma ngabe sebona ukuthi sengiphumile kwi-ANC, then usekayenza umsindo. Sekayenza umsindo ke manje nge-Orania. Ufana nje uzofike ube nayo la ngaphandle. Ufike umi nayo la ngaphandle. Ithuli ingasho ukuthi kushayela umsila. Uthi ungayifaka ngaphakathi bese uvala igate siyakhonkotha sifuna ukulwa nawe. Ufana ncamashi naleyo nje njalo. Wawu ku-ANC eqenjini elinamandla lokuthi mhlambe yayingakwazi ukuthi izame ukushintsha i-constitution idile nale yanto labe Orania, kodwa awushongo lutho, wavala la umlomo. Musu uphumile usuwenza umsindo, usubona ukuthi angeke usakwazi ukulwa nale yanto le, uyesaba ukuyinqoba le yanto, then ufuna ukuzoba relevant ngayo. just because sowuphumile kwi-ANC usufuna ukuzoba relevant ngani ngento ese-Oranje usufuna ukugxisha i-ANC ngomqondo ukuthi kufanele ukuthi ihambe yolwa nabantu lapha ngoba wona sowuphumile usugxisha umqondo ukuthi ayihambe yolwa nendaba yase-Oranje sokhuluma nge-Oranje manje soba umsindo lalela ke i-Oranje ukuthi ize ibe khona lapha ya kusho ukuthi umuntu omnyama oyidedelilo odize ngomhlaba umuntu omnyama odize ngomhlaba yibo sopolitiki abadize ngomhlaba including wena CIC yini nidize ngomhlaba ngoba yebo bawuthatha before umhlaba kodwa kusalayo nibile seqenjeni namandla ukuthi ningadila nayo le nto le niwuthatha umhlaba niubuyise back na uyeka anangakwenza lokho nidize ngomhlaba yabona nidizeni na ngomhlaba nayekela labantu bangena banama document you understand banama document nayeka ukushintsha iconstitution ninethuba lokuthi ngayishintsha iconstitution ukuze nizokwazi ukuthi ikulunga izinto eSouth Africa ikwazi ukuthi ivuna ama South Africans wonke iconstitution na uyeka ukwenza lokho nakuyeka ukwenza lokho understand ninawo amandla nayeka ukuyenza le nto leyo and then uzotshela ama citizens ama ordinary citizens ukuthi bona mabangalwi nento abayibona ukuthi iproblem kibo mabahambe uyodila nendaba yase-Oranje uthuma thini masahambe uzodila nendaba yase-Oranje anginona njengoba wenza umsindo lapha eParliament usendaweni eright impela usendaweni eright impela yosopolitiki ama parliamentarian people who supposed to fight for ama citizens usendaweni eright ukuthi ungadila nendaba yase-Oranje mhlawumbe ungakhuluma ngayo uyifake lapha eParliament bekwazi ukuthi idinga udaba la khona sibone lihamba lifika lapha usendaweni enhle then awukwazi ukuthi thina uthi masiyeke ukudila neproblem lenzeka la phambi kwamehlethu phambi kobuso bethu la sihlezi khona ema space nethu sidile nama problems ethu la bese wena uzothi wena asihambe siyolwe eOranje usithuma into exakile usithuma into exakile esidiscard namanje sakuxaka then wena uthi asiyodila nayo le nto yase-Oranje siyeke labantu abangena la eSouth Africa ukuzodayisele ama South Africans idakamizwe siyeke labantu abangena la bezoshushumbisa ama South Africans siyeke labantu abazoshintsha amantombazane bawenza omahosha siyeke labantu abangena la eSouth Africa bezoduna imonto la bathatha imonto le South Africa bayiwelisa imgcele uthi wena masiyeke labantu abangena la eSouth Africa bezoduna amabhilidi masibayeke labantu laba abangena la bezobamba inkunzi la just because bona baziyo babulela abantu sinoma kanjani just because bona bekho emthethweni ababhalwe indawo bekho kwi-system uthi wena masibayeke siyodila indaba yase-Oranje uyazizwa ukuthi uthini uyazibona kodwa ukuthi ucabanga kanjani uthi wena masiyolwa nendaba yase-Oranje just because wena ulwa naleli yabala nje ulwa naleli yabala futhi nakhona uyapretend ngathi ulwa naleli yabala behind closed doors impintshi zakho lezi ufandwe yizo nifandwe izona bese futhi phinde nithume thini masiyolwa nazo kahle which is which ikhona kuyikuphi la because labantu esidila nabaye problem kithi leya problem leyo oyibonayo ile problem leyeke yini ninesikhathi ukuthi ningayenza le nto ninawo amandla ukuthi ningayenza le nto le nayiyeka leya problem leyana nayike ukushintsha iconstitution okuyiyona engicabanga ukuthi iyabavuna laba bantu ukuthi mabayenze le nto le kube nestate state iyabavuna le constitution angithi nihambe nithi the so called best constitution in the world iyona ke ivuna abantu ukuthi mababe nestate in a state then how can you tell us ukuthi masambe siyodila nento efana naleyo uyazibona ukuthi njani cha bengithi nje mhlawumbe kufanele sidile nayo le nto le maybe kumele sidile nayo accordingly njengoba sidila nalento okubizwa ngokuthi xenophobic all the time masizama ukuthi silwise illegality we are being told ukuthi xenophobic then we accepted ukuthi xenophobic maybe nale yase-Oranje we must accept ukuthi angeke sikwazi ukulwa nayo wena umuntu oyibona ukuthi iproblem hamba uyolwa nayo hamba yolona thina ngeke sihambe siyolwa nabantu abangasihluphi ngalutho abahlezi khona la lo mhlabeni abadayisela wona na uyeka ba-occupy abafaka i-state sabo bese thina siyolwa nabo aniguli nje perhaps ayikahleni bo
Hello good people, welcome to this channel. If you are new here, please make sure you do the right thing. You press that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Good people, please comment below. Tell us what do you think after watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Kulungile, bye. See you on the next one.